Imagine a very hardworking monkey who wakes up early every single day. He climbs the tallest trees, endures the scorching sun, and returns to his cave with a bunch of fresh, ripe bananas. He eats only what he needs to survive and saves the rest in a clay pot hidden deep in the back of his cave. He feels safe. He feels proud. He thinks that when winter comes, and there's no fruit left in the forest, he'll be the richest monkey in the jungle. But then something strange happens. Moons pass, and when he finally opens the pot, the bananas are still there, but they've gotten smaller. They've shrunken. They don't satisfy his hunger like they used to. The monkey looks around, but he sees no one. The cave was locked. Who stole the energy from his bananas? This is the first secret the kings of the jungle don't want you to understand. There is an invisible thief living right inside your pocket. He doesn't wear a mask, and he doesn't need to break down your door. His name is inflation, the silent devourer of value. The elite monkeys created a system where they print new banana bills. The more paper they circulate, the less your hard-earned bananas are worth. It's as if someone is taking an invisible bite out of your lunch. Your bank balance looks the same, but the price of everything has soared. The cruel truth is, your money didn't just change, it got weak and small. Keeping money in a savings account is like putting bananas in a pot with holes. The thief drains the real value and leaves you with nothing but the peel. It's a modern form of slavery, running faster just to stay in the same place. To win, the monkey must stop hoarding bananas that rot. He must transform bananas into trees, into seeds, and into real assets. The monkey who only saves is the one who always loses in the end. If you feel like your money shrinks every time you go to the store, know that the system is working exactly as it was designed to. But now that you've seen the thief's face, the system has lost its power. Comment below if you feel your bananas shrinking too. Like and subscribe to protect your territory for real. Winter is coming. Only the prepared primates will survive.